Hello! Welcome to Yakult USA. Let me tell you all about Yakult. Yakult is a delicious probiotic drink containing friendly bacteria that may help balance our digestive system.
Yeah.
Yakult is consumed in about 40 countries and regions. And about 40 million bottles of Yakult are enjoyed every day. In 2014, Yakult USA opened the California factory. People have been enjoying Yakult for more than 85 years. With our focus on the life sciences, Yakult is committed to contributing to the health and happiness of people around the world.
A little breakdown of our tour today. We'll first start here with an intro video. After that, we'll move upstairs. We'll visit a couple displays. There'll be like a hologram video. We'll show you all the countries Yakult is sold in. Product display case of different products around the world. We have different types of Yakult dairy products. We have teas, energy drinks, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics. So we'll look at all those. After that, we'll move into another room where we will watch a short video on the benefits of Yakult, and then we'll sample some Yakult in there. So we'll try both the red and the blue today. And then we'll finish the tour by going to the production line. So that'll be like the second part of the tour. And then we'll see the process from the beginning all the way to the very end. It should be about like an hour long. But they're also going to contain probiotics in them. And then we have like a green Yakult, that one's Yakult Plus. So that one's going to have fiber and vitamin C added to it as well. That one is in the US currently, but it's in mostly all the other countries at the moment. It's Singapore. So Singapore has green apple, orange, and grape flavor Yakults. It's the only country at the moment with different flavors. And then the last case, this one is just products of Japan. So they're gonna offer all the yogurts and the dairy products that Yakult has, but they'll also have pharmaceuticals and skincare. So they will contain the same bacteria that the drinks have in them. So for the skincare, it's not only good for our gut health, but skin health overall, the bacteria that's in it. And then the pharmaceutical products, these are actually preventative care, so they help prevent like colon cancer. So we have a whole research center in Japan just focused on our pharmaceuticals as well. And then we're gonna have different types of drink, like the video downstairs mentioned. We have like energy drinks, teas, coffees. We're gonna have food items as well, so we have like Yakult noodles in Japan as well. We're gonna have different types of snacks. Yeah, so big market in Japan. So in Japan we have about like 13 factories. The US we're gonna have one, so kind of tough to compete with their products. We're gonna go ahead and hand out little souvenirs as well. So Ali in the back is gonna go ahead and give you guys a Yakult squishy. Once you have your squishy, you're welcome to come up to our touch board here afterwards.
Yeah, it smells good too. One for you, Daddy.
Yeah.
So touch board, just click on the bubbles. They'll give you like more info on your quote. You just click on them again and they'll collapse. You can move them around. And then on the left side over there, I'll actually start the hologram video. It's going to show you all the countries that it coincides in. I'll let you explore around here for a little bit.
That's your bubble, Chaba.
That's mine. That's mine. My favorite on your home. This is the bubble.
The kids loved the classroom presentation. They had questions of their own even. Right after class, we went into the factory. But at the factory, they did not want us to record their process, so this is as far as we get. But if you know my family by now, doesn't matter what they're doing or where they are, it's always dance time. Here you go.
Yakult contains the exclusive probiotic strain Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota.